Hiya, welcome back to my channel. Many thanks for stopping by. I am going to try and catch up with some of my savings challenges that I haven't been able to do for the past few weeks. I have got 3 sets to do. I did tell you this when I did my sinking funds last week. I've got 3 weeks worth of catching up to do. So today's savings challenges will be for April the 26th. I have £140, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 10, 20, 30, 40 that I am going to stuff today. Let me start with my grab a book. I finally mentioned it right today, and naughty me, as per usual, haven't got my colours. Right, there's my felts and my pencils. I need both, just depending on what papers I'm working with. Should have done all this before, shouldn't I? Right, let's get started. So grab a book. Each book is £2, so I usually do £20. I usually do, don't I? So that's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. So I'll be doing £20 today, and I'm just going to mark it off. Let's do, I haven't got any lilac. Let's do a lilac. So that's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Right, so I will colour these in off camera. So that's, grab a book and let's get it stuffed. There we go. And then I have the autumn leaves, so that is £10, and this one is completed today. The autumn leaf is completed. And that's £10. I'm so happy with that. Progress, you see, progress. It's all about the progress. Let's see. So they've all finished, completed. Let me just put completed here so I know. Lovely. And then I will get that all counted up on another video. The puzzle piece, how much have I been putting in? 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. So I'll put £15 in today. Let me just mark it off with the orange. That's 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Let's get some change. And we'll do 15. That's 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Great, and I will colour that in. And then the rainy day fund, I'm on the £300 one. Let's have a look, see what I've got. The denominations are 5, 10, 15, 25 and 50s. So I'm still working my way through the 5s and 10s. Let me do a 5. for this one because I have done the boots already. I think these are the biggest challenges that I have got doing at the moment. And then let's just try and see if I can get some change here. Let's the fruit and veg. These ones will be completed. Ah, that one's completed. Good. I've done that one. Perfect. And I've just got the lettuce. That looks like lettuce to me. Let's see if I can get some change again. See if there's any fives. Fives seem to be very scarce. Very scarce, the fives. Okay, I'm just going to have a look in my other binder. Right, I managed to get some fives, so I will complete this favourite veggies today. These are the lettuce. And that's 15. Perfect. And I will get that all counted up and sorted out. Let's leave that there. Save 2024 in 2024. Let's see what I've got left. That's 20, 40, 50, 55, 60, 65 pounds, and that is going into save 2024 in 2024, 65. So let's have a look. 40, let's do a 40 and a 20, and then I'll keep £5. So let's do 40 and a 20. Oops. 40 and a 20, and we will keep £5. Let's have a look. 20, 40, 50, 55, 60. Great. And that's getting along really good. And we've got £5 rollover. That's good. Don't mind a bit of rollover. It's nice to know that I've completed that. So I've completed that one. Great. So I've just got May 3rd and May 10th to catch up with, and I will be doing that as soon as I possibly can. If you did like this video, I would really appreciate a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified when I upload new videos. Take care of your good selves, and I'll see you back really, really soon. Bye for now.